All right, it's Tuesday morning. We've got a tree trimming job on the schedule for today and a little bit of pre-emergent. So we're gonna go there, trim the trees, hit the compost, clear our trailer, and then be completely prepped and source our mulch because we've got over 115 bags of mulch to lay tomorrow and Thursday. So I'm gonna go grab some mulch after work today. Come with us and see what that looks like. All right, so we're here at our property by the OU campus. I've surgically backed in here. You just gotta practice to be able to do stuff like this. I know, pretty impressive, no big deal. But we're just gonna back into this driveway, trim all the trees back here, pull them through, load them up on our trailer, and then hit the compost for today. And then I'm heading home to edit a bunch of stuff and source some mulch. I'll show you guys where I buy my mulch, how we load all that up, what it's like to buy it in bulk. And then tomorrow we're gonna be loading up a bunch of mulch, and then the same on Thursday.
Yeah, I use some of these bolts for the bar. Pull that nice and tight. Come around here. Put that bar back in there tight. This one good to go?
No, I'm gonna tighten it up as well. And where you tighten it with the flathead?
Right there. They're all different. So we got it right here. And this tightens the chain. And then this unloosens and tightens the bar.
All right. Alright, so we're here finished up at the property. We're going to close the gate and lock it. We've done a pre-emergent spray in the front and backyard for weeds, and we trimmed all the trees in the backyard, loaded them up. Now we're going to go dump this at the compost and prepare for our mulch tomorrow. Okay, so we've arrived here at the compost. We're gonna take off the biggest logs and process them into firewood. I'm gonna wrap them in a bunch of cellophane or plastic and maybe order some custom stickers from Vistaprint and make some logos and stuff. I've been getting a lot of calls about firewood and I don't have any to sell, so I figured if there's a demand, we'll just, we got trees trimming all the time, we'll just take some of the firewood and start selling it. So the big nice ones we'll process, we'll keep with us, take back to the house. But as for the rest of this stuff and the leaves from last week, we're gonna leave it all here, dump it at the compost, and clear off our trailer. So I was gonna process this and cut it all up with the pole saw, but it was kind of taking too long, so I'm gonna save it. We'll put it in the backyard, let it cure for a while, and then we'll cut it up with the chainsaw, and I'll make a video on how to cut firewood, what width, how long, how to package it, where I buy logos, and how to split it, what axes I recommend, things like that. So I'll probably make a video on this in the future as we kind of figure out this new revenue stream. Jesus.
What the hell?
All right, it's Wednesday morning. We got a bunch of mulch, first mulch of the season. I'm real excited. So we're gonna hit site one, grab some of our garden specific granular pre-emergent, lay that down to prevent some weeds. We actually had one of our customers change up a little bit of mulch today, so we're gonna full pallet and then do another pallet tomorrow. So we'll show what all that looks like. We'll probably post a short, satisfying type video today, and then the rest of this will be in the lawn vlog. So stay tuned, follow us till tomorrow, last day of the week, the work week, and we're gonna have a great lawn vlog, great first start of the season. It's warm outside, you can feel it on your face. It's just, everything's ready to go. 4 or 5 weeks we're gonna be mowing, so I'm real excited. Let's get after it. So we're leaving site one. We got our Snapshot granular garden herbicide. Unfortunately, site one was taking a shipment from a semi, so I had to wait about 15 minutes. And because of this, I had to call a couple of parties that I've got involved in this whole mulch operation this morning. It's just an example of some of the moving parts you might deal with when you're doing landscaping and you're not the one picking up everything. This is the first time I haven't been the one who manually loaded every bag of mulch that we then delivered to the property. So I've got Davis Supply, another landscaping company, delivering a pallet of mulch to our customer. So I had to call Davis and let them know that I wouldn't be there on time to meet the people delivering the mulch, and call the customer to let them know to expect it. So just trying to make sure that everything's good to go, everything's organized, and no one's gonna have anything pop up on their plate unexpected. Now we're on the way to the property. We've got all of our necessary supplies, and we're good to go. So we're gonna get to spreading our granular pre-emergent and get to spreading our mulch, and we'll do the same thing again tomorrow. Come with us. All right, so it's Thursday morning. We're coming off 68 bags of mulch yesterday. We're gonna go by there today, do another 21. All right, so we're here at the compost. We've cleaned off the trailer. We kept some nice logs. We're gonna process these and sell them for firewood. That's all of our stuff there on the ground. So we're headed to our first property. Let's get to it. All right, so we're back at the compost again on Thursday. Seth is all muscled up for no reason. Hasn't worn his vest at all today. Doesn't really care. You couldn't find a more careless individual. So we're just gonna unload the rest of this stuff we picked up at this property. We got a little bit of leaves on here and a whole lot of extra mulch. So when we get home, we'll organize our mulch on our home base. Let's get to it. Let's get this stuff cleaned off the trailer and prep for this weekend.
Shit snapped right through the gloves.
Mm-hmm. All right, we got our firewood all put down, ready to go. We're just gonna let it cure for a couple weeks and then split it and bag it and get it ready to sell. We've got a bunch of our mulch here ready to go too for next week and any other future jobs we got. Trailer's clear, ready to go.